Alright, so this is the heater. It's even back here is blowing out good heat. It's got your selections right here. So you can turn it up, down, whatever you gotta do. Yeah, it's hot. Fans running back there. It's definitely as advertised.
Okay, I am reviewing this little heater. It might seem small, but it does pack a good punch. I use it mostly around my desk because my feet are always cold, and it seems like it works really well. It has a couple different, it has just a regular fan, the first heat, and then the second heat. Puts out quite a nice little stream of heat. I didn't have any problems staying warm. It was nice. If you're looking for something like for your desk or to heat up a small room, I would suggest this. I think it works really well. I'm getting super hot right now just with it blowing on me standing this far away. So I'm going to take and turn it back off. Anyway, it seems to work real well. Thanks.
So I love this heater. It actually has a remote to it. Not only does it have a remote to it, but it heats up super fast and it keeps the whole room warm. It has an eco mode, high and low, and you can actually see the temperature. It's digital on the screen. It's just a good heater overall. It helps keep down the cost of heating your home when you can have this and it heats up pretty much a lot of space in your house, so you don't have to have your thermostat up high. I would definitely recommend this to anyone.